I think that bacon was the key. Don't skip the step of the bacon grease. Alright guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, we're going to be making some green beans with pearl onions. And this is a recipe that my aunt used to make when I was little. I loved it. Shout out to you, auntie. So she would use bacon grease, but we're gonna start with some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. She used a little bit of butter, so about 2 tablespoons of butter, and that's what she would use to start the dish. She would go in with some fresh green beans. Go in right in there with some fresh green beans, just like that. She always said this was to get some color on them green beans. That's what she used to say. Because she was like that butter penetrate through in the bacon grease. But I'm using olive oil today. And so, then she would add fresh garlic. So I got this new garlic press. And I'm just going to use it today. It's my first time using it. So she would add a few cloves of garlic. So I'm not making as many as she did, so I'm just going to add 2. So this would be a whole big old pot. And just mix that in there. And she would come in with these pearl onions. And she'll put that whole bag of frozen juice and all, liquid and all, in there. So I'm going to go in with a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little seasoning, not much. Then I want to go in with just a little bit of chicken bouillon, just a little bit, and then some chicken broth, just like this, just a little bit, not a lot. And then you just put a lid on it. And I'm telling you, this would be so delicious, guys. And the holiday season is coming, so this could be a good side dish. And if you wanted to, you could add some bacon in here. You could add some salt meat. But this is all she did to it, and it was fantastic. But I think that bacon was the key to it. So don't skip the step of the bacon grease if you can help it. Alright guys, so we're back here. We're going to get this, try it's all done. It looks beautiful actually. Look at that. The pearl onions. This is a nice holiday side dish. Where it may be Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter. Get a pearl onion. Dropping off. So look at that. That pearl onion got a slight sweetness. And those greens are so seasoned. You get that garlic. You get the flavor from the chicken bouillon. Oh, this is absolutely delicious, guys. Try this at your next holiday function, and it will not disappoint. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.